ability of LaSalle to come back from a huge deficit as what Chuck Cruz and the Lady Spikers displayed in that 5th set against UST in their last game. They're going to have that skill tested once again here against Adamson as they are down 16-10 here in set number 3. Now that was a fierce spike by Mayet Zapanta.
The set was actually too close to the net, but she still went for it. And they get the point for that.
And now Coach Ramil calls his second timeout of this 3rd set.
Pwestuhan, hindi minamadali. Pwestuhan, pagka pumwesto papalo ng kalaban, di depensa na tayo. Ha? Ready na tayong dumipensa eh. Hindi tayo nagpapasa ng depensa eh. Eh gusto pa yata natin, nasa labas, nasa backlet tayo, atake pa tayo. Hindi tayo atake, nasa-depensa kami, nasa kabila yung bola eh. Lahat sa pag-depensa, magbabasa. Dalawang klase lang, palot, malakas, mahina lang yan eh.
Coach Ramil wants his team to have better anticipation of the attacks of the Lady Falcons. Ngayon, nakikita din niya, there's some form of nagre-relax din yung team niya. And this is something that we see in most of the teams. You're up 2 sets. On the 3rd set, the tendency is for the team to relax a bit. They lose the focus. And yun, that's what Coach Ramil wants his team to get back here in the 3rd set with more focus, better anticipation of the balls coming on the side from the side of Adamson.
And will that be the wake-up call for De La Salle University? Aragalang finally stopping this Adamson run. Mika Esperanza serves once again for DLSU. Soriano from the middle. Soriano will try again. Chuck Cruz pops it up. It's a back set for Michelle Gumabao. Vasquez able to receive that one. Zapanta denied. Still alive for Adamson. Soriano goes for the drop ball. Gumabao sets it up for Aragalang. What a rally we're having here. Esperanza. Michelle will try again. And this one is still going to be alive. And Maraño finally ending that long and eventful rally.
That's just one of the advantages this tall lineup of LaSalle has. Look at Maraño getting that ball again from the 12 o'clock angle. Ang taas ng reach, and you see the angle of the ball as it went down the floor.
Makatuno somehow able to pop that ball up once again. Soriano, her version of a drop ball works. Ken Soriano will her team to victory here in this 3rd set. Pineda, Zapanta goes to the back row of LaSalle. Maraño, and she is bumped up. Let's watch it one more time. Guevara a little too late there.
Single block. She mistimed that block, so mahirap eh. A lot of room for the offense to get through.
Tugonon denied by that scary double block of Reyes and Gumabao. Zapanta will try to attack it. It's a back set. Makatuno varying her plays here. Zapanta once again.
Look at the coverage of Adamson. Vasquez is just always there
There
to get
she
the
is
ball.
again. And Esperanza and Gumabao on the other side, toppling over each other. Another long rally we're having here.
Now this is the kind of defense that makes it difficult for teams like LaSalle to get a point.
And Mayet Zapanta able to inhale and exhale after finally ending that rally. See the reaction on Zapanta.
Well, you know, credit Vasquez for
Yeah.
those excellent digs, excellent coverage all throughout that rally.
Esperanza. Togonon goes to Sheila Pineda.
Zapanta unable to move towards the side. She was the only one left
Yeah.
at the back row. And you can see her breathing heavily.
And Mami Dulce noticing that, sending Cortel in. She had to work extra hard for Adamson's last point. 19-14, Adamson still with that cushion, trying to stay alive here and forces set number 4. Cha Cruz. Will we see another comeback fueled by Cha here in this set number 3?
Timeout, Adamson.
Mulat ang baka, mulat. Bay, natatakasan ka dyan.
Ngayon na ha, pag receive to them.
Buti. Buti pumasok yung isa ni ano. Handa dyan, handa. Ha?
Hingin ang bola,
Okay.
hingin ang bola. May, hingin ang bola.
Ano yan? Kaya niyo yan. Kaya niyo yan. Anin na lang. Anin na lang.
Adamson still with that 4-point lead here in this crucial set number 3.
Gala, the serve for LaSalle.
And Mami Dulce Pante just trying to make sure that this set does not slip away from the Lady Falcons. They know what LaSalle is capable of. They know that LaSalle capable of coming back.
But Togonon gets a facial in that last attempt.
She's trying to
Smile.
and
Shake that off.
say she's okay.
Sanay na yung mga yun, of course, in training. There probably been a number of times the ball has hit their face.
And Togonon getting her first taste of UAAP action this year. Victor Naragalang and LaSalle trying to come back here, and that's exactly what they're doing.
And this is going to be
Timeout again for Mami Dulce Pante.
Ano ba? Ano, natitense kayo? Simpleng bola, servisyo. Ano ba yan? Mag-isip naman kayo.
Pumapatak yung bola. Sa gitna, di ba?
Mimi,
Tama tayo nag-dribble.
alam mo, nakagano yung apat na ano, hahatawin mo yung ganon. Takan mo, oh. Hindi ba sa palo? Okay, naman na tayo.
The lead of Adamson was as high as 6 here in this set number 3. It is now down to 1.
And, you know, if LaSalle overtakes Adamson in this score, no, napako yung Adamson at 19, it will be heartbreaking, lalo pa if LaSalle ends up winning the third set. So Adamson should defend the set. They've done a good job at the start, so they should end well also.
And you have to think, if you're an Adamson fan, that the morale of these girls have already taken a hit after that heartbreaking defeat at the hands of Ateneo in their last game. And now we are tied at 19. LaSalle once again showing that great ability to come back from a huge deficit. Sheila Pineda. Cha Cruz and Vasquez.
Throwing herself on the floor.
She's a little bit shaken up.
The effort of, you know, keeping that ball alive.
Hats off to her for sacrificing her body, being all over the place. This little girl.
You see how quick she is in,
Yeah.
you know, in really going after it.
And that ball was really going way out. Vasquez just showing a lot of effort.
Pineda.
Pineda off the block.
And that's the type of support you need. If you're Vasquez, you're working so hard doing your job as the libero, you'd like to see your teammates put up the same effort as well. Pineda doing just that.
And you know, being a libero, it's actually a non-scoring position, but with Vasquez, you actually feel her presence inside
Yes.
the court. You see that in every play, she gets a hand on the ball. She's not there the moment you look, but then last minute, you'll see all of a sudden, she's there to get the ball. So I think, you know, it's one of the things that has also helped Adamson in this game, you know, keeping the score at least close to LaSalle. Here in the third set, they had a big lead earlier, and, you know, she had a big role to play in that.
Vasquez is actually one of the reasons why Adamson is the reigning best digging team in the UAAP.
Guevara to serve for Adamson.
I guess that is what Mami Dulce is known for, really developing
Yes.
great liberos.
And also, she's very particular with the floor defense of her squad. And LaSalle right now just exerting their might, overcoming what was a 6-point advantage by Adamson. LaSalle up right now, 22-21. Momentum is on their side at this point.
And if you're Coach Ramil, you'd, of course, during the earlier part of the set, he didn't like what he saw. Pero if you're a coach and you see your team coming back from such a big lead with the opponent, you would like na nakahabol yung team mo. You see that the heart to win is really there.
And that's very useful training for when you come into the big games.
The pressure is there. You see that your opponent has such a big lead, and what you need to do is, you know, to tie the score one step at a time. You tie the score, you earn the points, you take the lead, and then you win the set.
I'd like to think LaSalle has really learned a lot from their tight victories against FEU and UST, wherein they have gone to a 5th set. And this game, another example of LaSalle coming back from a huge deficit. This is still alive for Adamson. That was match point for LaSalle actually. But somehow Makatuno using her wit there.
Adamson, 15 for timeout, 5 for hot country. Pineda to serve.
This is match point for De La Salle University. And when they need somebody to become their closer, they call on Cha Cruz. Cha Cruz just coming out of nowhere for that kill. And La Salle getting win number 19. Their 19th win in a row. 8th win here in UAAP Season 74. We'll be back to put the finishing touches on this ball game.